Pleasant day, children. Welcome back to the class. And today we will learn a poem. It is The Little Old Lady, a poem about an old lady. Okay, here in this poem, the poet. Who is the poet? The poet is, children, the poet is Rodney Bennett. Okay, now here in this poem, the poet tells us a girl who looks at an old lady and she imagines how the old lady was when she was young like a girl. I repeat, this poem is about a girl, okay, and an old lady. Okay, here in this poem, the girl looks at an old lady and she thinks how, she imagines how an old lady was when she was a small girl. Okay, and this poem is written by Rodney Bennett. Right, children? Now, next. Now, we'll start with the poem. That little girl, gray-haired lady is as old as can be. That little gray-haired lady is as old as can be. Yet once she was a little girl like me. Yet once she was a little girl like me. She liked to skip instead of walk. She liked to skip instead of walk. She wore her hair in curls. She wore her hair in curls. She went to school at night and played with other little girls. She went to school at night, sorry, she went to school at 9 and played with other little girls. I wonder if in years and years some little girl at play. I wonder if in years and years some little girl at play who is very like what I am now, who is very like what I am now will stop to look my way, will stop to look my way and think that grey-haired lady is as old as can be and think that grey-haired lady is as old can be. Yet once she was a little girl like me. Yet once she was a little girl like me. Do you understand, children? Here, the poet is telling that a girl who looks at an old lady and she imagines how that old lady was when she was an old girl, when she was a young girl. Okay, now what the girl imagines, that grey haired lady is as old can be. That grey old lady, she's old now and yet she was a little girl like me. The author is telling, the poet is telling that the little girl imagines by looking at an old lady that this old lady is now an old lady now. She has become old now, but she was a little girl like me, like all other girls when she was a little girl. And what she was doing in her young age, she liked to skip instead of walk, and she wore her hair in curls. Here, what the girl is thinking, she might have skipped. She was loved to do skipping, jumping, and rather than walking. Now she is an old lady. Now she has become old. Now she will walk. She likes to walk. Now she doesn't have enough strength to jump and hop. So once when she was a young girl, she might have done skipping, jumping instead of walking. She wore her hair in curls. She might have wore the hairs in her curls. She went to school at 9 and played with other little girls. When she was young girl, this old lady might have gone to school at 9 o'clock as we all come to class at 9 and she was playing with other girls. I wonder if in years and years some little girl at play. I wonder means she's telling, even I wonder means the little girl tells after few years when she grows older and some other girl, some little girl at play, some other girl in the playground who's very like what I am now. And the girl also imagines that when she becomes old, like an old lady, like the old lady, and the other girl, same like this girl, even she might imagine that how I was now, how I am thinking about this old lady, even same way the other girl might look at me when I am old and she might think about me and will stop looking my way and stop to look my way, and she think that as I am looking at this old lady, she might think that even when I was old, when I was young, even I might have doing the same thing what the young girls were doing, and she might not look at my way. Okay. Now, and think that gray-haired lady is as old as can be. Now, and that girl might think that, yes, now this old lady is very old, but yet once she was a little girl like me. And that little girl will think that, yet now she is an old lady, but once she was a young girl, a girl like me. Okay, understood, children? Here, the poet is telling that a girl who looks at an old lady in a park, and by looking at the old lady, the little girl thinks that this old lady is old now. She has become old. But once she was a young girl like us. Okay, like me. Okay, when she was young, what she was doing? She might have doing skipping, jumping. Okay, and she was playing with all her friends instead of walking. Now she has become old. Now she would love to walk. But when she was young girl like me, she might have doing skipping, jumping. Okay, and she was playing with her friends. Now, and also she'll tell that she was tying her hairs in curls, and she was also going. She might have gone to school at 9 o'clock, and she was playing with her little friends. And she also imagines that, and the girl also imagines that when she becomes old, like the old lady, and the other girl, some other girl like her, she might think that, oh, this girl or this old lady was once an old girl, once an young girl, and now what she was thinking, even she will think like as how I am thinking now. Okay, the girl will say, the girl, she might think that even this girl also, this lady also was young before, and she might also was doing the same thing, and she was also playing or doing the things as how I am doing now, and she might not look at my way. Okay, she would not wait for me and also think that this old lady is old now, but yet once she was a young girl, and the young girls like me. Understood, children? Okay, I hope you have understood, and again I'll read out the poem for you. That little girl, grey-haired lady is as old as can be, yet once she was a little girl like me. She liked to skip instead of walk. She wore her hair in curls. She went to school at 9 and played with other little girls. I wonder if in years and years, some little girl at play who is very like what I am now will stop to look my way and think that grey-haired lady is as old as can be, yet once she was a little girl like me. Understood, children? Here in this poem, two parts. The poet has done two parts. First, she will think about an old lady. In the next two parts, she imagines that the other girl, when this girl becomes old, the other girl, what she might think about this girl is written in this poem. Okay. Now the poet tells, the little girl will be looking at an old lady and she thinks, now this old lady has become very old, but once she was a young girl who was very young, and she was doing all the things what I am doing now. She might have doing jumping, skipping, she was playing in the garden with her little friends, right? And she might have wearing her hairs in curls, and she was going to school at 9 o'clock, and she was playing with all her friends. And in the next part, what the poet tells that as time passes, even I will become old. And some other girl like me, even she might think what I am thinking now about the old lady. Okay. Now the girl might think that even the girl in the park who looks at me when I am old, she might think that this old lady is now an old lady, but once she was a young girl and she might have playing and she was enjoying her life with the other girls. And she was a little girl and she liked little girl like me. Understood, children? I hope you have understood. And this poem again we will recite in the next class, children. Okay? Thank you, children.